haven't already, check the roof on your Econoline. Here's my roof right here. It's getting crunchy right there. I'm gonna poke a hole right through this in a second. I did not examine my roof when I bought my van. I should have, because my last Econoline, this is my second one, my last one had a rusting roof. It was more on the rails of mine, but this area for some reason on my van's really nasty, so I'm gonna fix it up a little bit. There used to be a hole right here. When I was examining the roof after I bought the van, I poked a hole right through the corner. I just filled it up with gasket maker, and it's working because I saw a wet spot in the headliner. So this worked. So I just spread a sealant or a gasket maker along the sides here. I was just poking along, and this part feels crunchy right here. So let's just poke a hole through it right now. Yep, there it is. It's pretty bad. So I'm just gonna poke a hole through this and just fill this up with gasket maker, and then spray rust reformer along this area. That's a lot of roof that came out. It's 2 layers though, so that's good. This is nice and solid. I poked out all the brittle part, so I'm gonna spray rust reformer. I'm gonna clean this up, spray rust reformer all in this area, so hopefully it slows down. But there's another layer of roof right here, thankfully. I mean, if it ever gets too bad, I could always just cut the roof out and put a turtle top on this. Well, let's like I said, this has been here for a year and it's fine. So let's just do the same in this area than what I did here. Like I said, it's only this side that's really nasty. Cleaned up the roof. There's a big hole right here. All the rust reformer around the rusty areas. Hopefully that slows it down. So now I'm going to fill up this hole with a gasket maker. Here's 1 tube so far. I'm going to use 1 more to make sure I overlap and all the gaps are filled, but you could see it concaved a little still. That's 1 tube, so let's do 1 more. Here's another half bottle of gasket maker. I'm gonna spread it out using this right here. Make it nice and even. Okay, here's the roof right here. You could kind of tell this is where the hole was right there, but it's nice and filled up. Smoothed it out as much as I can. Hopefully you guys could see this, but today's date is October 18, 2021. I think I will upload this later, give it a couple of months, so when I do upload this, you guys will know it's a good fix versus uploading it now and it's a horrible fix. So we'll see. I use this stuff, but the black version, this is the red. I got 3 of them. They were out of black, so I just got the red just in case I ran out. I wanted to get this done now. I used the two blacks. I didn't need this one, so I'll just return it. It's only $4, but I needed 2 tubes to fill up that hole, and then like I said, I use a spreader to smoothen it out as much as I can. So I will check back probably in January. That'll give it a couple months, see how it does. We should get rain by then. When we do get rain, it's in November and December, so we'll see how it holds up. This is the rust reformer I used. It's supposed to stop rust. It's like $5 a can. Also got this at Harbor Freight. No wet stains on the headliner a couple of months later. I just found the file for the fix I did late October. So here's the update. It is January 24, a couple of months later, and everything looks good. Nothing's crunchy. Like when I'm poking at it, nothing's crunchy. So there you go, cheap fix. It rained a lot the month of December and November, so it held up well. That's why I didn't want to upload it right away when I did this. I wanted to see how it withstood the wet weather. So one more time, nothing crunchy, Not poking any more holes through it. Gotta get a quick shot of the van. If you're watching this the week I upload this, you've been seeing a lot of geo tracker videos lately. I haven't driven this in a week. I forgot what a monster this thing is. And I've been driving the geo tracker a lot. I normally drive this at 60, but I was looking down today, I was going like 75. I forgot. You don't have to press the throttle too much to get it to move. So there it is. Haven't driven it in a week. It's a lot different than the tracker. Check out all this van lifing.